So there's a few things that, few signs that can show that you need a new door replacement instead of just a repair. A big one is if the door slab itself is warped, and you can check that by when the door is shut, pushing on the top or the bottom of the door. If it doesn't close as tightly at the top or the bottom, that's probably a sign that the door slab has been warped over time. Another thing is looking at where the screws go into the hinges. If those are starting to loosen up, that means that there's probably the wood has gotten a little stripped out on the jamb there. Another big one is on the outside. If the wood has started to deteriorate on the sill or on the side of the door, that's an actual part of the frame, and that would indicate that that's time for a full door replacement rather than just a repair.